hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Today guys, we're going to be doing an unboxing on not one but two woven waste bags. I did actually get a confirmation earlier saying that my other bag has been shipped out, which I was obviously really glad about because, as you guys know, I did order two on the same card, so I was expecting one to get cancelled, but in the end it didn't, so I was really glad about that. The two I'm showing you today are the ones that were both on the same card, and then the one that's coming is the one on a different card. I didn't think I'd wait until the other one came because the bags look the same and I need to ship out these two bags to the two buyers. I ended up selling both each for £65, which isn't too bad. The price will go up over time, but I've decided that I'm going to sell these two and then keep the other one until it rises a bit more in value. But without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Okay guys, so now we've got it open, we ended up with 4 box logos as normal. I never get any interest in stickers anymore, it's so boring off Supreme. Box logos every week, but we'll just add them to the massive pile I've got of them. So then these are the waste bags, as you can see, 2 waste bags. To be honest, I didn't really expect them to be like this small, like they actually are really kind of narrow. But to be fair, I think the design on it is very cool, and I do think that most people don't want these massive bags that sometimes the waste bags do are a bit too big. And me personally, if I was going to wear a waste bag, I wouldn't want a waste bag that's going to be like too big on my chest. So I just think that this is a lot better, probably a lot more subtle than all the other bags, and it looks pretty decent, to be honest. I mean, there's a couple of compartments. There's one at the top, one at the front, and then also I think there's one at the back. So that's pretty decent, to be honest. But yeah, there's nothing really much I can say about these. I mean, they are literally just the waste bags, and yeah, I'm not really much of a fan of them, to be honest. I mean, this isn't kind of the style I'd normally go for. I think it's a very acquired style, but I do think that if I was to buy one, then I'd probably wear it. If they didn't resell, I probably would just wear it in the end. But because they've got decent resale value, I've decided to shift them. Like I said, I will be holding one of them just to see how it goes up in value. It's just something I want to experiment with, guys, because as you guys already know, I have got the Jordan Court Purples, which I'm not posting on my Instagram or eBay or Depop or Bump, because I'm just looking to hold it and just see the difference in value over the time. And to be honest, guys, it's something I haven't really done in my reselling career. I've never really actually held an item, and I feel like now being part of a cook group, I kind of have a lot more information on what to hold and what not to. So it's just something I want to try out and see if it is effective. If not, I'll just end up selling them for good money anyway, but I want to make sure that the holds are actually worth doing. I don't want to be holding it for 6 months and making an extra £5–10. I want to be holding and making an extra £30+ really, because then it's just going to be worth it. Otherwise, I may as well just sell them. But yeah, guys, I do think that this is quite a clean design by Supreme. I mean, it's not very subtle with the colours. But like I said, with the size, it's just a little bit more subtle. As you can see, if I was wearing it like that, it wouldn't be too big on my chest, I think. So yeah, guys, I'm going to ship them off today to the two sellers. So if you're watching, thanks for buying them. I sold one on Depop and one on Bump. So they'll be going next day delivery to the buyers now. I will just say, guys, if you do sell your items, it's always best to send next day delivery, because it just is so much more convenient for the customer to get them the next day. And most people have got their orders maybe on Monday and Tuesday, whereas I've only just received the bags today. So for the buyers, it just means they don't have to wait as long for them to come in, because with Supreme, the shipping is very unpredictable. Like I said, the other bag still hasn't even arrived yet, and tomorrow there'll be another Supreme drop. So I might not even get the other bag I ordered until a week later. So it's definitely worth paying that little bit extra just to send it first class, and it does help with your reputation when you're selling. But that's going to be all for this video. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like.